What if I told you this tiny seed will become one of the world's most valuable foods?
Using advanced GPS and AI coordination, these machines level the land with pinpoint accuracy, preparing the fields for the next season.
This is precision orchard design. AI software optimizes sunlight exposure and future canopy development, ensuring maximum yield.
Gigantic GPS-guided tractors utilize deep subsoilers, while drones monitor the precise depth in real time. The pH levels in Sector 3 are stabilizing. Confirmed, nitrogen intake looks optimal for the cashew yield, pushing the phosphorus data to the main drone. Soil moisture confirmed. Temperature is optimal. All right, team, the window is open. Initiate planting sequence alpha. Advanced AI verifies the taproot's integrity before the robotic planter gently positions the seedling for optimal growth.
Post-irrigation verification is critical. A fleet of low-flying drones ensures comprehensive and optimal water distribution across the massive orchard.
The smart irrigation system activates on an AI schedule, delivering water directly to the root zone.
Autonomous drones scan the orchard, transmitting real-time moisture data. When the AI detects a dry zone, it instantly activates the localized irrigation valves.
Utilizing advanced AI analysis, the drone confirms the cashew flush shows optimal development, signaling the precise moment for the first fertilizer application. As the phosphorus granules dissolve, the taproot expands rapidly, drawing vital nutrients that revitalize the entire cashew tree.
Autonomous sprayers utilize AI mapping to precisely treat affected leaves and protect the delicate blossoms, minimizing chemical usage and maximizing yield.
Utilizing micro-robotic tools, we carefully extract the borer larvae, clean the infected area, and apply a sealant, ensuring that
Step 7 involves the daily pruning and burning of dead wood, utilizing both skilled workers and robotic systems for maximum efficiency.
Step 7. Targeting the tea mosquito bug. AI inspection drones scan the infected.
As part of Step 7, AI monitoring drones detect early infestations of thrips and blossom webbers. Autonomous precision spray AI-driven insights confirm the orchard is healthy and pest-free, ensuring a successful harvest. This data is crucial for modern cashew farming.
After identifying the anthracnose lesions, we deploy precision drones to apply fungicides exactly where it's needed, stopping the spread before it impacts healthy trees.
After pruning, autonomous drones fly in perfect formation, applying a protective biological spray. AI systems monitor the coverage in real time. In Step 6, we see the initiation of the panicles. These fresh green buds are closely monitored by AI drones as they begin to flower. The emergence of pink and cream blossoms signals Step 6. Bees and butterflies pollinate the flowers, while drones monitor the process.
Using advanced AI monitoring, drones scan the cashew clusters. This smart technology assesses fruit. Following pollination, the cashew apples rapidly begin to swell. AI technology helps us monitor this crucial development stage.
As the flower petals fade, the small green apple and the kidney-shaped nut begin their rapid development. Advanced
sticks. Step 6. Apple swelling and pigmentation. The green apples gradually swell, turning vibrant yellow.
Step 6. Fruit enlargement. Here, the cashew apples and nuts rapidly increase in size, monitored closely by AI drones across the plantation.
As the healthy green cashew apples enlarge, the nuts beneath them continue to thicken. Drones fly slowly between the rows, monitoring the fruit's development using AI.
Through continuous aerial monitoring and AI analytics, we ensure optimal health and maximum yield across the plantation.
Step 8. Ripe cashew apples. The vibrant red and yellow fruits signal they are ready, and the harvest begins.
Autonomous vision systems inspect the harvest, instantly identifying premium quality fruit using holographic scanning. Step 8. Smart harvesting systems. AI coordination platforms synchronize robots and drones, displaying real-time harvest statistics to optimize efficiency. At the collection station, robotic loaders efficiently organize the harvest onto electric vehicles. A convoy then transports the fully loaded crates from the orchard towards processing. The clean cashew nuts travel across these vibrating stainless steel conveyors as excess water drains through the filtration channels.
Using the Agritech system, we ensure only premium quality cashews move to the next stage of industrial shelling.
Step 9 in modern cashew farming is the large-scale drying process. Automated turning machines ensure even exposure under the brilliant sunshine before quality inspection inside. Autonomous robots move between the drying rows, gently turning the nuts for uniform drying, while drones inspect moisture levels overhead. Industrial crushing machines break the shells before automated extraction equipment begins processing. The dark golden liquid flows through pipelines toward purification. AI vision cameras scan every cashew kernel for quality. Precision robotic arms instantly separate premium whole kernels from broken pieces with incredible speed.
At step 10, the premium kernels are collected in our state-of-the-art facility, utilizing advanced robotics to maximize. In step 10 of modern cashew farming, this fully automated processing line uses advanced robotics and AI grading for seamless extraction and packaging. And vellets. AI vision cameras rapidly inspect every kernel for size, color and quality. The data is processed instantly.
Utilizing high-speed automation, these robotic sorting systems meticulously select only the finest whole kernels for the premium conveyor line.
Step 11 integrates human coordination with autonomous systems. Robots and palletizers optimize the warehouse flow, preparing thousands of cashew cartons for export. Fresh cashew apple pulp enters enormous stainless steel cooking kettles, where automated mixers slowly blend ingredients into rich golden jam. It's a purpose. The packaging department utilizes advanced robotics to seal the premium cashew apple jam jars. AI inspect fresh cashew shell oil enters the advanced purification columns. Precision filtration removes impurities, and AI systems continuously analyze the quality before storage.
Internally. Byproducts like shells, pulp and fiber are separated for reuse. Autonomous robots transport these materials through dedicated recycling.
This state-of-the-art facility integrates every step of the process, ensuring that premium kernel
Good afternoon. Here is your delivery.
Hi there, thank you. I've been waiting for these.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Bye now.
A toast to family and this amazing meal.
Cheers, everyone.
To health and happiness.
The magnification allows us to examine the microtextures. We are looking for the perfect cellular structure, ensuring that premium crunch.